name's Sarah and I'm a retail coordinator. I work closely with our shipping teams to ensure that all of our customers' orders make it out in a timely and accurate manner. Before ShipHawk, we used multiple systems for our daily shipments, including FedEx Manager, UPS WorldShip, and Stamps.com. Today we are able to streamline our shipping with ShipHawk. ShipHawk has been our solution to consolidating those systems that we used before, while still improving our productivity and accuracy. ShipHawk has also been instrumental in our ability to ship from 2 separate locations. Our experience with the ShipHawk team has been fantastic. They have spent the time to really understand our business and even did a visit to one of our warehouses so they could see our shipping process all the way through. We have worked closely with the ShipHawk team to create smart packing and other shipping rules within the system that further improve our efficiency. Thank you, ShipHawk, for your partnership.